The Opportunities tab and pipeline feature of our platform is a great way to keep track of where customers are in their processes. When you think about your business, what would you like to keep track of? Maybe you have a sales process. You'd like to know where customers are going through the actual journey of becoming a customer. So you might have a pipeline to keep track of where they are in the sales process. Maybe you have a customer pipeline where someone has already bought something from you and you've got to go through fulfillment. So you could also track what stages they are in their business of getting their product fulfilled. Pipelines are great for looking at a glance for new opportunities. In sales, I used to constantly go to my Opportunities tab and be able to look and see where people are in the process. I can find missed opportunities, people that I forgot to contact, and so forth, and I could create business instantly. So in this video, I want to show you how to set up a pipeline for your business. Now, the first step is to navigate over and create a pipeline. So we're going to go down to the Settings button at the bottom left-hand corner of the screen and click that. And then you're going to navigate right up under Settings where it says Pipelines. Once you click Pipelines, now it's time to create a new pipeline. So when you think about your business, what milestones would you like to keep track of with your customers? So for example, let's do a sales pipeline. So we'll call this a sales pipeline, and let's give it some stages. Now in your sales process, think about the actual steps customers go through. First, they become a lead, then they set up an appointment, then maybe they're working them and following up, then maybe they create a contract for them to sign, then they either sign or don't sign. So let's start out with that. So let's start with lead. Then let's start with an appointment. Then maybe a working one. Then maybe a contract stage. And then let's do a sold and unsold. The point here is you can customize this however you'd like, and you can have as many as you want. It all depends on what your process is and how you would like to use this feature. Now you can also decide whether or not you want this to be included in the funnel chart or the pie chart on your dashboard. This is especially important when you're trying to keep track of opportunities going on in your business. Now, once you save this, now we have the sales pipeline available. So if we jump back over to the platform and click on Opportunities, now you can see the pipelines there. So now we need prospects to be added to the pipeline. So let's jump over to our CRM and let's follow up with this Michael guy. Let's add him to our pipeline. If you scroll down under the contact record, you can see this button that says Opportunities. You can click Add and add him into the pipeline if you would like. You can select what stage they're starting at, and you can even give it a value for how much that lead could potentially be worth. You could also assign it to someone and even keep track of the source. Was it a referral? Did it come in through a Facebook ad? Did it come in through one of your sales reps? Now, I'm going to hold off on adding them here because I want to show you another way that you can add someone to a pipeline. So let's go back. You can also select the record as well from your CRM and then go to Pipeline Change. So you can select what pipeline you want. You can select the stage just like before. Doesn't matter how you structure them and how you add them to the pipeline, but you can do it either way. So let's jump back into the record and quickly add them to the pipeline. Let's give them a value and a source. Let's say Michael was a referral. And we'll click Add. So now, if we jump back over to our opportunities, he's added in this process, the lead. Now, let's pretend like we're a sales rep and we're working these leads and we call Michael and we actually set him up for an appointment. Well, what we could do is drag him over to appointment. So now we know that he's no longer needing to be followed up with as a lead, but at a glance we could see he's just set up an appointment. And as he moves along in the process, we could keep moving him along until we actually sell him. And then we can drag him down to 1. And it can keep track of your wins and loses. So guys, pipelines is a great way to keep track of milestones and other features in your business.